Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
In the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Tony Curry Jr., 232431 ABCD. And counsel, your opinions, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Excuse me, good afternoon. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client. This time makes sense of the matter being heard via Zoom.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Curry, can you please state your name, please?
Tony Michael Curry Jr.
All right, and counsel, we ask to the arraignment.
As the arraignment, we waive formal reading. My client stands mute.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and then we will schedule this matter for pretrial on May 14th.
Second, he's like, that's it, Charlie, but
15.
Oh, it's the state of Michigan, I'm so sorry, May 15th.
8:40. Oh, sorry. At 9:45.
At 9:45 a.m. Counsel asked you bond.
Yes, as the bond judge, I did speak with my client. He indicated that he's unaware that he had an outstanding case. He was pulled over and he was very cooperative with the police, but he is gainfully employed. He does landscaping. He resides in Brownstown. He has 3 kids, ages 2, 8, and 15. We're respectfully requesting any leniency when determining an appropriate bond. We would ask consideration for a personal bond in this matter. He does assure the court that he will not duplicate the error that he made by not getting this matter squared up in a timely fashion, but will absolutely appear at any and all future court dates. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so sir, when did you move to Brownstown?
4.5 months ago.
Did you change your address to the Secretary of State?
No, I haven't got a chance to. Been so
Awesome.
busy working.
I think that's something that you can actually just do online, so. And are you on bond in any other jurisdiction, sir?
I can't hardly hear you. It's too loud.
Are you out on bond in any other jurisdiction?
What you say?
Are you on bond in any other jurisdiction? Do you have a bond through any other court?
No. I don't think so.
How long did you live at the home on 2nd Street in Ecorse?
What you say?
How long have you been living in Ecorse?
I that was last year.
Okay, how long?
Moved
How long?
from there last year. It was in Texas.
You were in Texas. When were you in Texas?
My wife is a truck driver, and I went on the road over the road with her.
Okay, so when were you in Texas is my question, sir.
Say how long?
When were you in Texas? What year?
The end of last year.
Okay, so you were living in Ecorse when this notice was sent out to you, sir. But not only that, you had contact with the police department and you were arrested before you found it out, right?
Did you contact the police before you found out? That's all I can say.
When was that? I don't remember. I think it's probably the last.
Sir, let me say this. Sir, let me say this. You were arrested and you had a blood draw for this matter. And you did not contact the court to find out when your court date was. So while your attorney has indicated that you didn't know that you had an outstanding warrant, that is on you, sir, to have contacted the court to see when your court date was. Not only that, this court sent notice to you at your home on 2nd Street in Ecorse, and you didn't show up.
I ain't stayed in Ecorse since the beginning of last year.
Okay. Sir, we sent notice to you, I'll tell you the date we sent notice to you. We sent notice to you on December 12th of 23, while you were still in Ecorse, for your court date for January 2nd of 2024.
I wasn't in Ecorse that area. I was in Texas that time.
Sir?
So we left right
You
after.
chase people- Sir, the court doesn't chase people around the country to find out where they're at. You had police contact, you were been arrested, so it was incumbent upon you to follow up, and you did not do that.
No, I did. You're right.
How is it that you're in custody today, sir?
Yeah, John, he was stopped. It was a vehicle stop, and they found that he had an outstanding warrant, and they took him to custody.
Okay, and sir, you even posted a bond. The court's going, that now has been forfeited, the court's going to order a $5,000, 10% bond on count A. And, so was your client a passenger in the vehicle?
We didn't have a dialogue regarding the nature of where he was in the vehicle.
Sir, where in the vehicle were you when you were arrested today?
Ask her to repeat it.
Can you repeat that?
Sir, were you the driver of the vehicle today, or were you the passenger?
I was the driver.
Driver, even though you don't have a valid license.
What'd you say?
Your license isn't valid to drive.
Yes, it is.
Your license is valid? How long has your license been valid, sir?
For a while.
What?
I say for a while.
Well, I'm showing that it's suspended, but that could be an old, yeah, that's an old one. Okay. All right, the court's going to order, based upon Mr. Curry's previous failure to appear, the nature of the charges in this matter, the court's going to order a $5,000, 10% bond on count A. You're not, and 5,000 personal bond on count B, C, and D. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. You're not to operate a motor vehicle without a valid license. And then we'll see you back on the 15th. Thank you.
All right. What you doing?
$500.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.